Hello everyone. Welcome to Unit 5, the Open Economy. This unit looks at the international relationship between countries within a region and beyond the region. Now, we are not looking at the political relationship between these countries, we are looking at the economic relationship between one country and another. We will be looking at why two countries trade with each other. What is it that other countries have that we want? What is it that we have that other countries want? For example, natural resources that are abundant in Malaysia may be an envy to a country like Singapore. Therefore, Singapore engages in international trade with Malaysia to import natural resources that we have. There are natural resources that can be found in a country like Australia that is not available in Malaysia. Therefore, we would want to import these resources from Australia. So this is at least one of the reasons why international trade occurs. Now, the entire unit starts with an introduction to what we call the balance of payments. Now, the balance of payments basically looks at the flow of money from one country to another. As long as Malaysia is concerned, our capital outflow versus our capital inflow. We want to see in the international trade whether we make money or not in terms of foreign reserves or foreign exchange. Although it is always said that the amount of money that comes into the country is very important, it may not necessarily be true, because an influx of capital into Malaysia would mean that the supply of money in Malaysia will go up, eventually influencing inflation rate. So a balance of payment that is positive or surplus could actually create an inflation problem in Malaysia. This unit will also be looking at the exchange market, the foreign exchange market. We shall be looking at the different kinds of currencies that are available. We shall be looking at the different currencies that we use in Malaysia due to the different trade partners that we have. We will be looking at the different types of foreign exchange models we have available. For example, there are three very important foreign exchange models. The first is the fixed exchange rate model. Second is the flexible exchange rate model. And the third is the managed floating exchange rate model. Malaysia is a country that follows the third model, whereby we allow the currency to float in the market, but we continuously monitor the appreciation and depreciation of the Malaysian ringgit to ensure that we do not lose in the end. We shall also be looking at net exports to another country versus imports to the country. Net exports are very important because net exports in turn influences the value of the currency as well as the balance of payments. We shall also be looking at how does one country control trade between two countries. What is it that we use to ensure that the foreign products that enter Malaysia is not so much until it reduces the demand for local or domestically produced goods. For example, we impose heavy import taxes on foreign cars so that it does not minimize the demand for national cars, Proton and Perodua. So these are mechanisms that we have to put in place to ensure that our local products or our domestic products do not lose in the market itself when it's competing with other products from other countries. The cost material will give you a little bit more explanation on some of the other trade policies and protectionism policies that we have in Malaysia, as well as some of the other countries. Now with that, I shall end my delivery on this unit. I would also like to wish you good luck as the end of this course comes near and end of the semester comes near. You would have to be facing the final examination. I hope your preparation is also very good from the beginning of this semester till now. I bid you good luck and great success. Thank you.